Hello guys, welcome back to the dot flutter series. If you have not viewed the previous video in our playlist, make sure you view that because then only you can get a flow of how to do a dot programming language. In previous video we have learned how to install dot and how to use dotpad. Okay, we can go into this video. In this video we learn what is dot data types. Okay, data types are nothing but which represents the attribute of the data. In other words, we can say that it represents the type of the data. For example, let's take a person. Everyone are saying that the person is very temper. The temper represents the type of the person. In the same way, the data types represents the type of the value. A dot has certain data types which explains the type of the value. Okay. Let's see what are the data types. We have int, string, boolean, list, maps. Okay, we'll see what are in detail in this video. First we'll go with int. Int is nothing but it represents the numerical literals. Now we'll see the syntax. Int num is equal to 2. I already told that int is nothing but a type which represents the type of the data. I also represented numerical literals. It only used for numbers. Since I have given 2, I have used int. Num is nothing but a variables. Variables represents the variables are the reference types for the value. I repeat that variables are the reference type for the value. Here the value is 2. Variable is num, which are also known as reference pointers. Okay, it stores in the memory of the computer. Like for example, if you will make it as your name. If someone name is Ramesh, you will be turning to them when they call your name. Okay, if you can't simply turn to them like hey, what, that's not name, right? So to make it simple, name of 2 is num. Okay, now we'll go to string. It is a case sensitive. Make sure you follow the comma. Okay. Here we already told that name is a variable. Usually string follows in quotes. It can be double quotes or a single quote. This is the data type. Now we'll see about boolean. Bool, we'll represent it as a bool. We'll say it as language is equal to true. Since that is a language, I have given as true. One more thing, we can't assign a same variable name for other value also. See, it shows an error. I already told that it bool returns only true or false. It will be mostly used in condition times. Since it is not dynamic, it throws me an error. So I'll give it as. Now the error goes off. Make sure you only give a static name, not dynamic. Many of you having an idea like when you came from Python. Python is dynamic one. So we have data types and no rules for assigning many values for a single variable. But it is a static in dot. Similar in C, C++, Java is also a static one. Now we'll see about list. I'll show an example for list. Okay, first we'll go with int. If an organization is giving you a top program, like you have to print 10 numbers, what you will do? I have already told that you can also print numbers using int. So it will print it as 1. Int num2 is equal to 2. Int num3 is equal to 3. Okay, you have assigned everything until num 10. Now you have to print it. How you will print? You will print it as print num1, comma num2 and so on. Okay, for now I will print and show num1 and num2. Oops. Yeah, I have to print it in this manner. Yeah, you can see that you have to print it. In case if the organization is asking a program to print 100 numbers, it is very hectic, right? To write each and every one to 100, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can use a single code of list. Even this is also a tedious process to write each and everything as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a single square bracket. Even though you can give it as in this time where the loops came into matter. We'll see loops in further videos, don't worry. See, it has printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, list is nothing but a collection of data. You can also give the string values. Okay, you can also use string and numbers, everything. Okay, now we'll see maps. Maps are nothing but similar to list. It also a collection of group of data, but in list we have only values. In maps we have keys and values. We'll see the syntax. You will be confused, like other things we have represented only in a single line. Why we are using this map, new map? Okay, if you are coming from object oriented programming to dot, like C++ and Java, you know that we also have classes and objects. But since it is a Dart series for Flutter development, so we have no need to dive deep into it. Does not map is nothing but a class. We are creating an object by naming map and calling the class. That's it. Okay. It is a dynamic one. It is not like a boolean and num or string. Now we are going to see the syntax for how to create the key values. Let us give it as map of place. I will give it as Telangana. We'll give it as another name. Okay, we'll give it as places, and here instead of places we'll give first place. Yeah. Okay. I have not given a quotation mark, that's the problem. Okay, this is syntax. The place is what? The object we have created. Name is nothing but the key value. Telangana, a name is nothing but a key. Telangana is nothing but a value. Now you can create n number of keys and values. Now I give it as name 2 and Chennai. Now we print the places. Now we'll run it. It will be print as name colon Telangana, name to colon Chennai. See? Now we can get a point like it is similar to dictionary in Python. Yeah, you got it right. It is similar to dictionary value in Python. Dictionary data type in Python. Okay, that's it for today video. We have covered what is int, string, list and map and boolean. We'll cover in next video. We'll cover the functions of list like append, anything else, everything. Make sure you subscribe and please follow the channel. If you find useful, share to your friends who are willing to develop a app. Yeah, that's it. I'll drop the link for my GitHub repository. I'll make sure I'll copy this code and you can get the source code from GitHub. Make sure you can also run over the program and do some changes and you can get hands-on experience. Yeah, see you in next video. Stay tuned.